guys and gals out there, this is RockinRaffi bringing you another edition of RockinRaffi's Home Cooking. In the previous episode, we made eggs. Today, we're going to make a quiche. Quiche can be served hot or cold, and it's considered a French cuisine. Ha ha ha, oui oui. And to be honest with you, I call quiche egg pie, because technically speaking, it's a pie with eggs. We're going to make something today that's very spectacular and superb. We're going to make quiche combination. How's that for my French? Without further ado, if you're ready, I'm ready. It's time to unleash the quiche. Add 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon sugar, and blend that together. Add 1 cup cold unsalted butter cut into pieces. And you want your flour mixture to resemble cornmeal. You're going to add a total of 1/4 cup of ice cold water. However, you're going to add 1 tablespoon at a time and mix the dough with your hands. Once it's completed, put it inside saran wrap, make a circle, wrap it up, and throw it in the fridge for about an hour. Okay, this is my favorite part because there is no rules as to what you want to put inside your quiche in terms of veggies. Put all the vegetables that you love inside this quiche. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Let's remove the dough out of the refrigerator, and it's time to throw some flour on it and roll it out. We're going to roll it out enough to cover your 9-inch pie pan. Cut off the excess dough from the edges, and using a fork, we're going to prick the bottom of this pie crust a few times. Now let's crimp the edges of the pie crust, just as I'm showing you here. On one side, your index finger, inside, your thumb and your index finger, and you're gonna push it together. Hey, look at that. I did pretty good if you ask me. Now's the time. Let's throw it in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes maximum. We don't want to brown it. Time to make the egg pie filling. Get 4 organic farm-raised eggs. Use the one-handed egg crack method that I showed you in the previous video. Add 2/3 cup of organic milk and 2/3 cup of organic heavy cream. Add half a teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Remove the pie crust from the oven. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. And now you're going to add all the veggies and the mozzarella cheese on the bottom of the pie crust first. We're going to pour the egg mixture on top. Top it off with shredded mozzarella and some thyme. Alright, it's time to throw it in the oven at 375 degrees for 45 to 50 minutes. Look how that looks. Perfection, if you ask me. So what do you guys think? How does it look? Do you want a slice? And here it is, the quiche combination. Straight out of the oven on the countertop and let it cool for about an hour. So what are we waiting for? Let's eat. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is excellent. No pun intended. The organic eggs make a huge difference in this recipe. You taste the mushrooms, you taste the thyme, you've got the flavors of the bell peppers. It's all right in there with the cream of the milk. It's so rich, it's so good. Wow, let me take another bite. Oh, yes. The crust. The crust is buttery and flaky. It's so good. Wow, this is fit enough to eat for breakfast, but it's also good enough for dinner. And like I said, you can have this hot or cold, choice is yours. This is definitely a knockout winner. Make this quiche, watch your guest dive right into this and eat it all up. That just wraps up today's episode. And right down below, under the comments, let me know what flavors you like inside your quiche. And if you haven't already yet, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and that little notification bell Go ahead and click on that bell so you'll be notified when my next yummy treats are posted. And until next time, keep on rocking.